Okay, this is take two. Guys, I had such a great day today. So last night, my mom's side of the family came over. My grandma, a couple of aunts, my cousins, and my even my nephew. Yeah, it's been a while since we got all together. It was really nice. Yeah. We had some amazing Korean barbecue for dinner, a few drinks, and just caught up talking about what's been going on in our lives lately. Yeah, I know. And then today we on a little family trip to this beautiful garden called 화담 Forest. Yeah, it's not really an amusement park, but more like a mountain area, and that's beautifully decorated with flowers, trees, and plants everywhere. Yeah, it was honestly so peaceful and gorgeous. Great. So we just walked around, enjoyed the fresh air, and took a bunch of pictures, yeah, just typical family trip stuff. Yeah, and after that we just grabbed lunch nearby and had some really good Korean soup. Yeah. Everything was just perfect today, and especially I hadn't seen some of my cousins in literally years, so it was really nice to catch up with everyone. Today was just happy, and hopefully I just hope we can get all together again soon. Yeah, that's all. It was a happy day. Great. Thanks for watching me. See you. Have a good day. Bye.